Now we can start the sales operations, day-to-day work. Here that many options are there: credit sales, cash sales and returns. Just click the credit sales. Here the invoice number will be displayed automatically. So if you don't want to issue the invoice to the customer, or other word, if you are doing the back office entry from the manual invoice, then in that case you don't need the invoice number. You have to enter the invoice number manually. So if you want to give the invoice number manually, I have to change the settings under the administration, 5 settings. Here you can change it to 0 if you leave 0 for manual invoice, or set as starting number for invoice printing. So I will leave it default, and sales, credit sales, that will be invoice will be printed automatically for the online mode. And here customer, if I know the customer number, we can give the number like this. Otherwise we can search and find the customer number. So I can give the starting letters and press the F2 key, and it should be displayed here. From this list I can select this customer and enter. Again we can give the discounts for the customer, so I leave it blank, then 0 will be there. Just entering OK. For in this screen, for the speedy entry, rather than using the arrow key tabs, you can work by using the enter key. You can move field to field by pressing the enter key. Now here item code want to give. Now cursor is in the item code field. If you know the item code, you can give it, or otherwise you can use the barcode reader, or you can search by giving the starting letters. I will give the Tokyo, TOK and F2, then this will be displayed, and enter, and I will put the one quantity, and the unit price will be displayed automatically. If I want, I can change it. I can change it just typing over that, right, and enter. Other items are thinner, F2, and this one, and 4, and price same, limit same price, and we can post it. So once we finish the invoice, we can post it. And here the last price button, if you press the if you give the item code, and if you press this after giving the item code, if you press this last price, so it will display the last 10 prices for the particular customers of this particular item, the price details, how you have sold to this particular customer the particular item. And okay, if you find some errors, you can click this rows and can delete it. Click the particular row and you can re-enter or correct. So I'll post this entry. It will ask for the, do you want to confirm this invoice? I have to confirm yes. Invoice posted successfully, and it will ask for the, do you want to print the invoice? I will put this yes, then it will be printed.
Porta ocupada. A emissora não responde.
So then, so like this, we can continue the invoice printing. So that cash sales also same. Here that cash number will be displayed automatically, and we can get the invoice number and same entry style. And so credit sales returns, that is just opposite of this, the sales entry, CC, and same interface. That cash sales returns the same. And this is very important one, that sales view and returns view, that the cashier or the teleoperator want to need this option to balance the particular day's entries. So I have done some extra entries, and now I can see this here. We can list and see the all entries, and this is the narrations. We can see, check it carefully. For the customer, the credit sale is the invoice number, the amount, the user, and the transaction number. That is automatically the system handling number. For the series number, this is the user ID who entered this particular invoice. If you want to see the more invoice detail, just click this particular row and can check the invoice, and we can see this invoice. This invoice just now we have entered. We can see this detail, the thinner and cement, and if you want, we can reprint the invoice again. So that the bottom of this listing, we can see these blue color summary totals. That is credit sale total we have done for this particular date range as match, and cash sales and returns for this match. It's a summary. And if you want, we can list down only the credit sales like this, or only the cash sales like this. This is the total of the cash sales and credit sale returns and cash sales returns. So anytime if you want to see the details of an invoice, by clicking this we can see it. For the returns, these are returns, and the credit note details we can see. So credit notes also we can print it. So this is the one for day-to-day operation they need to balance, and so like that, these sales profit and sales margins are important to the management to take some decisions or verify the business progress. Here that sales profit button, you can get the date range and can see this list. Here you can see this the sold item. For this much of amount we are sold, and returns are deducted, and cost and the profit. And here, so likewise we can change for some particular some credit sales only and cash sales only. So like that we can change and check it. Also that margins also same like earlier, but here item by item you can see these profits and how much profit you have earned, like that. That meant of this is sample data. It has some unmatched values. So these are the normal functionality. In addition to this, these entries, we can perform some purchase entries like this. That is also the same, like same interface like sales, so nothing to explain new. And cash purchase same, and purchase view also same. So we can find this, we can see this listing, and for the cash purchase, credit purchase listing. So also can be viewed all these purchase details by clicking the particular row and then the view invoice button. You can see that purchase invoice details. So So these are the normal function. Also that under the accounts we can perform some day book entry also.